We're going to make some jalapeno popper twice stuffed potatoes today.
I'm going to add in crab, and I'm also going to put on some special sauces at the end. So come on, Jeff, quit talking. Let's get the cook going.
He's going to take these potatoes about an hour. So first thing I'm going to do is get this Grilla Alpha Connect pellet grill going. So this Grilla Alpha Connect works off of Wi-Fi. I'm going to use my phone to turn it on. And now what we will do is set the temp. It's my first time using this part of the grill. I'm going to cook these potatoes at 400. And now we'll get to the timer. Now we're going to set the timer hours. 1 hour. Start timer. I've got fruit pellets in here today. That's all, it's already in it. It's filled up except maybe an inch. That'll be just fine. Let's get the lid closed. And for the first 10 minutes, you just want to have this lid cracked a couple of inches. So I've got some melted duck fat here. Now you can use olive oil if you don't have duck fat, no issue. Then I've got some pretty large russet potatoes. Just going to oil up each of these taters, just like so. I find this to be one easy way to do it. I'm sure you've got your own way. Now, there we go. Let's get on to the next step here. Now I've just got some kosher salt. I'm gonna salt these taters up on each side. Got my last one done here. Let's get them over to this Grilla. Just get our lid open. Get our taters on. And let's get our lid closed. Just want to show you on the phone here, we've got 5 minutes before these taters are ready to take off and start the next step. It's been an hour. There's our taters. Oh, look at that. We're talking just right. So I'm going to get these off and let them cool down just a bit so we can work with them. Let's get our lid closed so we don't lose any heat from this Grilla. Okay, this guy's been sitting here about 30 minutes. It takes a while for them to cool down. And what I'm going to do, you can see, just take a very small area off the top, and then we're going to scoop out the tater. I'm going to put it in a different dish, and I'm going to do this for all 3 of these potatoes. And you want to do your best not to tear that potato skin. Kind of look like boats when you're all done.
Now we're going to get the stuffing for this potatoes going. 2 jalapenos. We have lump crab here. You can use anything you like. If you want to use leftover chicken or pork. 8 ounces of cream cheese. And 4 ounces of pepper jack cheese. Honey Hog barbecue seasoning for some extra taste and color. And just use whatever you like. Your favorite barbecue seasoning. And we're going to mix all this up together. I've got my mixture all together. Let's get these potatoes all stuffed. It's in here. This is going to be so good. Yeah. All right, so I'm getting this crab meat stuffed in, and I am pushing it in a little bit harder into the side so I can get a little bit more of the mixture down into the potato, because I want as much goodness in here as I can get. I get it all mounded on top. So I am trying to get all the crab goodness I can in these potatoes. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more of this Honey Hog on these guys, these potatoes, before Jeff puts it back on the Grilla.
I'm going to let these potatoes go 10 to 15 minutes before we do the next step.
It's been 15 minutes and the potatoes are ready for Jeff to put some cheddar cheese on them.
Let's get this door open. Oh, they're looking pretty good. Tammy, I'll let you tell me how much cheddar cheese to put on these.
More's better.
More is better?
Yeah.
Better's more?
Yeah.
Okay.
That one needs a lot more. Looks lonely in the cheese department.
How about that?
Okay, now that one's lonely in the cheese department.
All right, I'm going to put just a little bit more cheese on here. How's that?
Better.
Let's get the lid closed. What do you think it'll take? 5 to 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Hey, it's been 15 minutes. Look at this. It's a nice brown color. We're going to get our potatoes off here.
Finishing the jalapeno popper potatoes. Gonna put some bacon on just potato. All right, got that on there. And we got some sauces. Sour cream. This is just regular sour cream. Right. Then we're gonna put some barbecue sauce on the potatoes. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle these potatoes with some chives. All right, I get to try it now. So excited. This is like, I've been waiting for this. Okay. Oh my God.
I know it's too big. I know, but I can't help it.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. You can see all the steam coming up. So you can definitely taste the cream cheese and the crab. So the jalapenos come in on the back end. They're not overpowering at all. They have like that nice kick at the very back end.
So let's talk about it. It's creamy from cream cheese. It's got a little of that jalapeno bite. Not too spicy for those of you who don't like spice. It's got the barbecue flavor. The cheddar cheese has got a little bit of crunch on it. Of course, bacon makes everything better, right?
And then the sweetness of the barbecue rub comes in. Oh, it's so good.
Those sauces give it a cooling effect. I got to tell you, might be the best twice baked potato I've ever had.